To come back and edit, you can.
Okay. So, hi everybody. I'm here with the proud new owners of A Haven out here in Kitchener, Mary and Tim. So I just wanted to, they were nice enough to come out and do a shop tour with us about the factory and learn more about the product. Like to chat about the factory tour.
Yeah, we came out on a Friday afternoon in January. It was a little blustery, but Ben was kind enough to stay after 4 o'clock on a Friday, and we had a good probably 45-minute hour tour of the plant, and it was very impressive. And we left and said, "Wow, most guys at 4 o'clock on Friday, they're just revving up the car and getting out there for a cold beverage." But we really enjoyed the tour. It was great, and I think the following week we placed our order, and the whole process been very well organized. A lot of communication, a lot of good communication, and we got so many emails and instructions, and we were able to hire a contractor from the Bunkie Life recommended list of contractors, and they're here yesterday and today doing the install and putting some unique features into the Bunkie, such as
My triple tiered built-in bunkies on the first floor with not a ladder but steps. We're stairs. We're having stairs
Excellent.
up to them.
Excellent.
And one of the things, if I could add to the tour when we had it, I was curious about how the bunkie went together, and Ben was gracious enough to give us a sample, which we've showed many people from that tour. This is how it's like Lego. So that was kind of really a neat little takeaway from the tour.
That's excellent. That's excellent.
Yeah.
So we do have something else to provide you, another sample today. So I got everyone in the shop to sign an F1 for you, and
Cool.
so you can hang that up in your bunkie and have a little bit of the bunkie shop with you. Yeah.
We're part of the Bunkie Life family.
Yeah.
Well,
Yep,
This is cool. I like this.
and
This is nice.
Mary just mentioned Bunkie Life family, and I really feel like something like this and just the whole experience is we did more than just buy a bunkie.
Yes. Yeah.
That's
it really
excellent
does
to
feel
hear.
that way.
Yeah.
And the builders that are doing this behind us, they were actually part of a roster listing of builders that Bunkie Life provides. So we were able to schedule them in for April. Which is
Excellent.
April now, right?
Yeah.
it's
April 20th today.
Yeah.
Excellent.
This
Well,
is
thank
so
you very
fun.
much. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
and
Ben.
Thank you,
yeah,
Ben.
looking
And,
forward to keeping you guys as customers here in the future.
Yep.
Okay, thank
Thanks.
you so much.